Alright, we're gonna go up the upper unit and again, TLC, right? Gonna love that carpet as you're walking upstairs here. And you know, like I said, this is why I like this property. It needs some TLC. Wow, this is kind of like 1980s. Alright guys, we're here at another duplex here in Windsor. Fully vacant. We're gonna take a nice walk through, check it out. Needs a little bit of TLC, but for the price, it's definitely something that that caught my eye, and that's why we're gonna take it through, walk through here, check it out for ourselves here. So it's in a good, busy area, you know, off transportation. One reason I like this property is one, TLC, so add value. Two, vacant, so get to pick your own tenants. And if you've watched my videos in the past, a little dark in here, you know that tenants are, you know, they're tricky. You want to get good tenants to, you know, make sure you get good rents and that they pay. So walking through here, and yeah, big floor plan. So it's up and down duplex, and you know, it's cosmetic. I mean, definitely cosmetic. You know, the bones look good. But yeah, your floors are all right, as you can see out here. You know, might want to get rid of that carpet. And bathroom, I would probably update that. You know, nice, probably a newer tub, and you know, new vanity. But again, cosmetic. You know, maybe a little more demo in this bathroom. You got the, as you can see here. You know, they always put those over bathrooms back in the day. So, but good sized bedroom. Good sized bedroom. 2 bedrooms in this unit. I believe there's separate utilities. That's always a bonus. We'll confirm that when we walk around the property. And yeah, your nice kitchen. So I mean, it's kind of, you know, open concept, but main floor is quite big. And you got the basement over here. We'll go check that out. So let's make sure we get some lights here. So in the basement here, at least, you know, you got your own basement. You could probably do, you know, shared basement as well for tenants if they wanted to have their own laundry to offer to each tenant as well. Not much really to see down here. I mean, I would convert this, but you know, it smells dry. We just had a major storm here, so it's always good to see. Maybe just clean it up down there. Nothing big. It's a basement, right? So that's the main floor. We'll go check out the upper unit. All right, we're gonna go up the upper unit, and again, TLC, right? Gonna love that carpet as you're walking upstairs here. And you know, like I said, this is why I like this property. It needs some TLC. Wow, this is kind of like 1980s, but decent condition. I mean, honestly, this is that's why this property caught my eye. It's all cosmetic. I mean, the tile in here is fine for the kitchen. You got appliances. You know, we got a little sun porch back here. Looks like. Oop, separate entrance. That's right. So that's key as well. You know, safety, fire. Little backyard out there. Walk around quickly. Actually, we'll go downstairs here. It's definitely a steep staircase here. And then, oh wow. So they have their own access to the basement. So that's actually really good, because you can pretty much separate the basement. So they had their own, they would have their own, you know, their own areas, their own laundry rooms actually. So it's actually a nice feature. All right, door didn't work, so we'll go walk around after we finish walking through this upper unit here. I mean, you could probably tidy this back area up, but you know, the price is great for this property. Large building, brick. You got another 2 bedrooms. Same layout as the main floor, but again, just needs some work. So you got there's blue carpet in this room. Bathroom is purple. Wow, purple bathroom, eh? Just don't see bathrooms like that anymore. But probably making a comeback, to be honest. Right, just like wallpaper made a comeback. Here's another bedroom. So yeah. I jumped on this property because it caught my eye. They just dropped the price, and I wanted to come check it out for myself. And we're gonna run the numbers right now. More of a look at it as a flip option or even a BRR, because this would be better value probably to buy and renovate, refinance, and hold this property long term, just based on past experience myself. So let's go look at those numbers right now. Check out this property. All right, so we're gonna quickly run through the numbers for this property. We just walked through that, need some TLC. So I mentioned we would you could look at flipping this property, but I would lean more towards buying, renovating this property, then refinancing and pulling your money out. So that's kind of the numbers I'm going to look at too right here. So right now it's listed for $390. So let's say we buy it for a list. It's actually not a terrible price. Obviously, we try to negotiate that down a bit. We're going to use resale value here, as you can see. Let's say 600,000. Be a little aggressive, but let's quickly look at it. You put in all your taxes, expenses you incur through renovations. Say $70,000 renovation budget, 20% down to buy this property. And then if we go over to this one right here, this is kind of like the bread and butter. And basically, if you buy or renovate, refinance at $600,000, 80% loan to value, so you get a $480,000 mortgage. Cash out a refi, $165,000. Here's basically all the money you would have left tied up in this property. So you basically own this property almost for nothing. This is where they talk about, zero money, $0 out of your own pocket. And this is why people love the BRRR strategy when investing in real estate. And this is a great property that you could do this with, right? So instead of having, buying a turnkey rental property where you would tie up $390,000 times 2, 20%, right? You're close to $70,000 out of your pocket. Now we only have $6,000, right? So great strategy. This property would be great to do this on. Let's say you only refinance it for $550, right? And as you can see down here, I didn't show you this quickly earlier. You got let's say $4,000 in rent, $2,000 new units, inclusive, or separate utilities, I should say, because you've got make the tenants pay the utilities, right? So it'd be plus rent. So there is no expenses there other than your water. Your maintenance, I keep around, it's renovated. So, let's say 10% of your rent. So you're still cash flowing even at a refi at, 4.2% is kind of where we're at right now with fixed rates. And you do that at a $550,000 appraisal, and you still only tie up $45,000. So still almost half of, a turnkey rental property. So that's why I built my portfolio from properties that need work. I've built it up doing this method, the BRRR method. And it's a great way to invest for the future, build your portfolio, build your assets to as we all know, hedge against inflation, right? So that's one of the best ways to do these days is invest in real estate. So that's it for these numbers. You want more information, you know how to reach out to me, DM me, email me. If you want to go take a look at this property and other properties, just reach out. Tyler Sulier, Keller Williams, Windsor, Ontario. Talk to you soon.